Hello and welcome back to another video. The topic of this video is the education system of Pakistan, the challenges and solutions. The Constitution of Pakistan mandates free and compulsory education for children aged between 5 to 16 and aims to enhance adult literacy, with education becoming a provincial matter post 18 amendment. Pakistan strives towards Vision 2030 but struggles to meet education for all EFA and Millennial Development Goals (MDGs). The current state signifies that Pakistan's education system comprises of 260,903, that is 260,903 institutions serving 41 million students with 1.5 million teachers, and public institutions constitute 69% while private institutions account for 31%. Despite policies and international commitment, issues of access, quality, infrastructure and inequality remain. What are the key issues that we face in Pakistan? MDGs and Pakistan. Failing to achieve universal primary education and gender equality. Education and gender equality with significant disparities between provinces and genders. Education for all. Primary gross enrollment rate at 85.9%, below the 100% target, with urban areas outperforming rural ones. Vision 2030 aims for a unified curriculum, increased educational spending and enhanced vocational training, but progress is slow. The social constraints include cultural norms, gender disparities and security concerns, especially for girls. Economic factors. Now let's look at some economic factors. High costs in private schools and insufficient public funding, with only 2.4% of GDP spent on education solutions. Implementing national education policies and Vision 2030 goals. Introducing a uniform curriculum, enhancing public-private partnership and promoting education in rural areas. Strengthening vocational and technical training. Counseling parents and students for market-aligned education, addressing corruption and improving resource utilization. The conclusion can be that reforming Pakistan's education system requires collaboration between the government, private sector and communities. Focused effort on vocational training and addressing socio-economic barriers can improve literacy rates and make the youth a valuable asset to the nation. Thank you for listening. I'll see you in the next. Take care and have a nice day.